Hey everyone, it's Nilly. I'm back to do a brow tutorial. So these are my natural brows and you guys are up close and person with my love-hate relationship with these brows. So that is it. I usually use pencil, but sometimes I use a pomade. Today I'm going to use a pomade and I'm using the Kat Von D Dark Brown 24 Hour Super Brow Pomade, and this is it. So here we go. And guys, when I say I love this, a little goes a long way because it's super pigmented. And along with that, I use a 7B Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and this is it. So yeah, let's get into the brows, and after this I'm going to probably do my foundation routine. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is comb your brows. I'm actually going to comb them up first. And I normally get my brows threaded. I haven't had them threaded in months. This is what we have. I usually just clean it up with a razor. So what I'm going to do is lightly dab into the product. Just get a little bit on the brush. Then I'm going to start carving out the bottom of my brow. I'm not going to start at the front. I'm just going to start right here. I don't ever try to create brows. I go with my natural brow shape and I keep it that way. It just looks the best, in my opinion, on me. And then I start doing light feather strokes going upward. So I haven't even touched the tail yet, as you can see. I'm carving out the tail now, stopping right here. So that's my stop point, and I'm going to fill the tail in. Now I'm going to go back to the beginning of the brow with what's on the brush. I'm not going to pick up any more product. I'm just going to use what I have on the brush, and I'm going to do upward stroke with my brow facing this way. Get some hair-like strokes. And that's one brow for you. I don't normally use concealer to carve my brows out, and I feel like it has more of a natural appearance without the concealer. So that's why sometimes I just don't apply concealer. It depends on the mood. If I have some hair down here then I want to cover it up, then I might go in with some concealer, but I usually don't go for concealer. Even when I use my pencils, I don't really use concealer to clean up my brows. I feel like that's one of the beauty of it too, is it gives it a more natural, and it's more appealing, I think, on the eyes. I do like that sharp brow sometimes. Now I'm going to comb the hair down, and then I'm going to do hair-like strokes coming down. And I don't know if anyone else do this, but I like my hair going in a downward motion versus up. Sometimes I rock it up, sometimes I leave it combed up, and sometimes I'll leave it combed down. There we go. So now let's do the next brow. This brow is my jacked up brow. I mean, when I was younger, I fell in my dad's tool shed and I split my eyebrow open. So I have like a permanent scar there that I feel like it ruins my brows all the time. I was wearing oversized shoes and I fell. It's a light stroke. We're gonna feather up. And this brow grows at a slower rate. So that's why I don't have time to grow my brows out. I'm just taking light strokes as I blend some of this product towards the front of my brow. I don't know how this side gonna look. It already feel like it's doing something dirty. So now I'm gonna fill in the front of the brow. Remember, turning the brush up. And let me know if y'all want me to do a tutorial using just a pencil as well, because I do use pencils as well. It really depends on my mood. So now I'm going to comb the hair downward like I did to the other side. And then I'm going to do feather strokes. Alright, so there you have it. That's the brows with Kat Von D pomade. And I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, and I like that, but this is way better. Way better in my opinion. So I'm going to use my NYX tinted mascara, brow mascara in chocolate to comb through my brows. And I'm combing in the direction that I laid my hair, downward. And then I'm gonna do the front going upward. And doing this step helps the product just blend even better, and it sets your brow, which you don't need with a pomade. You don't need to set your brows. Same thing, coming downwards. I used to never use a brow gel, but it makes such a huge difference. And there you have it, the finished brows. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in another video.